Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. Alright guys, welcome to the channel once again. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. And now let's get into it. First up, I'm going to be using my Discord account that's on my browser. So I'm going to be making use of the browser version of Discord. So here's how you can go about, making use of the voice messaging option that is not available on Discord normally. First off, open up your browser. As you can see, I'm logged on to discord.com/the channels, and I'm on a direct message. Normally, when you click the plus icon here, you don't get the prompt to send a voice message, but here's how you can go about adding that prompt with a plugin, and the plugin being Vencord. So how can we get the whole thing set up? First off, simply close this Discord page. Make sure you've closed any available Discord pages on your browser, and then head over to vencord.dev. Once you're on vencord.dev, click on the download Vencord option. Alright, so once you're on vencord.dev, you're met with the option to download the Vencord application or extension as the case may be. If you're using Vencord on your Windows, that means you have the Discord application. That you have the Discord application as you have Discord as an application on your device. If you're using Linux or Mac, you will also have to download Vencord for these devices. Now, I'm making use of the browser option, which has me downloading Vencord from the Chrome Web Store. So if you click on available in Chrome Web Store, you're taken to where you can download Vencord on Chrome Web Store. Here is Vencord. So just go ahead and click on add to your browser. So basically I've already added this extension to my browser. So all you need to do is just click on add to browser. Now your next step after downloading Vencord and checking out your extensions, you can find Vencord Web here. Once you've checked, just go ahead and open up your Discord application. Alright, so just click on the gear icon that says user settings once you've logged on to discord.com. Remember, I'm using the website. So right click or click on it, and then when you right click, instead of clicking on Vencord, simply click on plugin. So go ahead and click on plugin, and then you're taken to the plugins menu. As you can see, it says Vencord here. You can now find plugins. So once you're here, just simply scroll or use the search to search for voice, and then simply enable voice messages. So it says here, this allows you to send voice messages like on mobile. So to do so, right click on the upload button and click OK. Let's head back to Discord. Make sure you turn that on. Make sure that option is turned on, please. Turn on the option and then head back to Discord. Once you're here, all you need to do is click on this plus icon and click on send voice message. And now you're met with three options: start recording, pause, and upload. So if you have MP3 files or recorded files you recorded externally, you could just simply upload those files onto the chat. But in my case, I'm just going to click on start recording. So click on start recording and then allow Discord to use your voice, give them permission, click on start recording again. And now as you can see here, I'm recording, and once you're done, just click on pause recording or stop recording entirely. I'm going to click on stop recording, and then if you click on preview, you can hear your voice. So just go ahead and click on send. The voice recording has dropped. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Make sure you download the version of Vencord for your device. If you're using the Discord app on your device, let's say instead of the website, just make sure you close the Discord app and any functions that's running in the background. So once you've closed it, head over to Vencord, download Vencord on your device. Either you download it as an extension or as an application and then go ahead and install it. It's going to come as an exe file, so install it and then run Discord again and follow this process. So guys, don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have questions and if you want more content like this. Thank you.